Good afternoon, everyone, and happy Research Day. Once again, this is Doc Del, your professor in research. So, this afternoon, we are still on research design. Okay, so this is intended for my education students na ang kanilang design is descriptive developmental research design. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to writing research in education and business research, you will always be updated. So, this afternoon, as what I have told you, yung gagawin natin is paano natin gagawin ang research design na nasaan yung descriptive developmental. Okay, so yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. So, always remember this, as what I have told you in our class, that there are only three important questions, no? There are only three important questions that you need to answer for you to be able to complete your research design. Okay. So, this is research design. So, our focus here is descriptive developmental research design. Okay, no? So, this is descriptive developmental. Okay. No, so that you will really guided, no? Kasi talaga yung ginagawa ng iba, kung ano yung nasa video, yun lang talaga ang kanilang sinusunod na as what I have told you that those in the video, halimbawa lang yun, no? Yun ay sample at you are going to contextualize this sa design na gagamitin ninyo sa inyong research. Okay. So the first question was, what is the design? No? Okay. So, ito yung pinakaunang tanong, what is the design? So, yung gagawin ninyo is, this study will, kasi proposal, will utilize or will use, no? Will utilize or will use a descriptive developmental research design. Okay, so yan ang sagot sa pinakaunang tanong. Again, ano nga ba yung pinakaunang tanong? What is the design? Next, the second question is, what is the utility of the design? So when we talk about utility, paano siya ginamit? Now, how it is being used in the context of the study. Okay, so since our design is descriptive developmental, first we have to provide reason why it is descriptive, and the second one, why it is descriptive, why it is developmental. So dalawa yan. Bakit siya descriptive? What made your study descriptive, and what made your study at the same time a developmental research design. So it is descriptive since the researchers, kasi grupo kayo, the researchers would like to describe. So dito, balikan natin yung inyong statement of the problem, no? Yung your SOP. Alin doon sa mga problems ninyo ang kailangan ninyong i-describe. Okay, so in your case, in your case, since the researchers would like to describe the available resources Okay, for example, in a specific subject, no? Describe the available resources in teaching social studies 6. Okay, no? So, social studies 6. Okay, so that is one, no? You have to describe. Next is, okay, um, available resources in teaching social science 6. Another thing is uh, the result of the pre-test that will be conducted. Kasi your second question is conducted. Your second question is based from the pre-test, what is the least learned competency, no? So you should have to describe also that. So the results of the pre-test, and since the developed instructional materials will be subjected for evaluation, that includes, no, that you are going to describe that, no, the result of the evaluation will be included in the description of the research, no? So, and the results of the validation after the instructional materials will be evaluated by the experts. Okay yan, no? And then, why it is developmental, no? So, the second, okay, andun pa rin tayo sa pangalawang tanong on the utility of the design. At the same time, this study is developmental since the researchers will develop an instructional materials or instructional material in teaching social studies 6, and the basis of the development is from the from the result of the pretest, the identified least learned competencies. Okay, so yan na, no? So nasagot na natin, no? What is the design? What is the utility of the design? Now the third one is why this design is appropriate. Okay. So dito, tingnan natin kung ano ang magagawa ng AI para sa atin. Okay. No? So punta tayo doon now sa AI. Okay. So, AI. Sign in kasi hindi pwede sa AI yung ating organizational account, no? Dapat personal talaga. Okay, so dito tayo, no? In the study entitled Development and Validation of Instructional Materials in teaching Social Studies 6. Why the descriptive developmental research design is appropriate. Provide a compact, no? Lagyan natin ng compact para hindi ganun ka rami. Provide a compact discussion. Provide a compact discussion, 2 to 3 sentences. Lagyan natin yan. Provide a compact discussion, 2 to 3 sentences. Why, on the reason of the appropriateness of this design. Then, let's click the prompt. Okay na, no? So, here, meron ng sinabi si AI, the descriptive developmental research design is appropriate for the study because it allows the researcher to examine the process of developing and validating instructional materials for, okay, lagyan natin yan, for social studies 6. This design is well suited for observing the changes and improvement in the materials as they undergo development, feedback, and refinement, ultimately leading to the validation of the effective teaching in Social Studies 6 classroom. Okay yan, di ba? So, sinabi natin na compact, so that's why you are given a compact statement. So, dikit na natin dito. Okay, dapat 12. And then, Arial. And then, okay, backspace. So, the descriptive developmental research design is appropriate for this study because it allows the researchers to examine the process of developing and validating instructional materials in teaching social studies. Okay, period. This design is well suited for observing the changes and improvements in the materials as they undergo development, feedback, and refinement, ultimately leading to the validation for effective teaching in Social Studies 6 classroom. Okay, so yan na kung paano natin gawin ang research design for descriptive developmental research design. No? So, if you try to look at this is the first question. No, wag niyong lagyan ng kulay yung inyong text. No, this is for emphasis. So, yan, no? Okay, yan ang first question. Ito yung second question. Okay. Second question. And then, this is the last question. Okay, yan. No? So, the first question, what is the design? Descriptive developmental. Second question, why the design is, or what is the utility of the design? It gives reason why it is descriptive, at the same time, why it is developmental. And the third one, why this design is appropriate. Okay. So, ganito lang kadali, no? So, I hope that for my elementary education students, you are now guided well on how to craft or how to present your research design. So, thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone and stay safe.